With the demand of laptops skyrocketing, there are multiple brands with multiple sellers trying to sell you hundreds and thousands of their laptops. So, naturally, as a consumer, it is very difficult to find the right one or the suitable one for our personal use. So that is why today in this video, I'll be helping you find the right laptop for your personal use, or at least help you narrow down your options, that too on a budget. So if that sounds interesting, let's get started. Here in this video, I've chosen 3 laptops, among which one is for best overall, one is for best design, and one is for best budget gaming. The requirements that I've set for the laptops today were they must be Intel i5 higher gen or Ryzen 5 series, they must have SSD with expandable RAM storage, they must have integrated or external graphics, they must have good battery backup with useful ports. Keeping longevity in mind, it should be value for money. And finally, it should have all the hardware required to smoothly run all the work-related programs such as Microsoft programs, student projects such as presentations or coding, and should also run online classes and meetings smoothly. The budget I have set for today's laptops were Nepalese currency rupees 90,000, Indian currency rupees 55,000, or $680. So, starting with the best overall laptop, the best overall laptop on a budget is Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Lenovo IdeaPad 3 comes with Ryzen 5 5500U 6-core 12-thread processor with 2GB of integrated AMD graphics. It has a 15.6-inch IPS LCD display with peak brightness of 250 nits. It covers 45% NTSC color space and comes in 2 variants, which is 8256 SSD or 8128 SSD. The one feature I love about this laptop is self-start. It also comes with fingerprint, and the fingerprint is fairly fast and reliable. Talking about the ports, Lenovo IdeaPad 3 has USB 2.0 Type-A 4-in-1 card reader, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, headphone jack, and HDMI port. It has a 720p webcam with stereo speakers and also a full-size backlit keyboard. It has a plastic body. It houses 48 watt-hour 3-cell battery which lasts about 6 to 8 hours and also has a 65 watt fast charging, so it can charge from 0 to 100 in around 1 hour 30 minutes or 0 to 80% in 1 hour. This laptop has integrated Radeon graphics along with Ryzen 5 processor, which is very good at multitasking, and it can also run light games easily. That is why I've put this laptop on best overall category. Now if you want a detailed review, write it down in the comment section below. I'll surely make that. So now moving on to the best design laptop. The laptop with the best design is none other than Acer Swift 3. Acer Swift 3 comes with Intel i5 8250U 8th generation processor and also has NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 2GB external graphics. It houses DDR4 8GB of RAM with 1TB HDD, and you can add 256GB of SSD too. It has a 14-inch beautiful IPS display. It also has fingerprint and a 720p camera, and it weighs about 1.8 kg, and it also has 180-degree hinge, which for me it's not that useful, but it's a feature to have. Talking about the ports, it has one USB Type-C port, 2 USB Type-A port, 1 USB Type-A, HDMI, card reader, headphone jack, and 2 LED lights. It has a backlit keyboard and a metal body, and honestly this metal body adds a lot to the design of this laptop. The battery backup in Acer Swift 3 is also very good, as it gives battery backup of around 6 to 8 hours. Acer Swift 3 does not have a full-size keyboard due to its smaller form factor, but it has backlit feature. It has good speakers, and the MX 150 that it houses is also decent for gaming. So currently in the market today, you may find Acer Swift 3 i5 11th generation with integrated Iris Plus graphics. Now, I would personally choose i5 8th generation with MX 150 rather than Iris Xe Plus graphics, but both of them are great options with great quality design. Now, finally, the best budget gaming laptop. The best budget gaming laptop is Acer Aspire 3. Acer Aspire 3 comes with Intel's i5 1235U processor along with external NVIDIA MX550 graphics. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, which can be expandable up to 32 gigabytes. It also comes with 1 TB HDD and 256 SSD. Now, adding either 256 SSD or 1 TB HDD might be on your extra cost, so keep that in mind. It has a good hinge, but the hinge is not 180-degree. Now, talking about the ports, it has 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 1 HDMI port, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, and 3.5mm headphone jack. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD TFT LCD display with stereo speakers. Now, the TFT display or the TFT LCD display might be a bit of downgrade from IPS LCD, but the other features in this device makes up for that. And honestly speaking, the display is not that good. It is very decent only. It has a 720p webcam and it houses 40 watt hour 3-cell lithium ion battery, which gives battery life of around 5 to 6 hours. It weighs about 1.78 kg and it has full-sized backlit keyboard. It has an aluminium metal body, so it is also good on that part too. Now, this laptop may not be overall the best laptop, but focusing on the budget gaming section, it houses MX550, which is better than most of the laptops with integrated or external graphics. So that is why I've put this device on best budget gaming, and it also does very good job in coding and editing and other heavy demanding tasks. So those are the 3 laptops that I chose for the price segment of Rs 90,000 or 55,000 INR or $680. Now, if you want a detailed review about any of these laptops, comment down below. I'll surely make one. And if you guys want another video of price segment which is 150k or 200k or 1 lakh INR or $1,000, then be sure to comment down below. I'll surely make that one too. And if you guys still have any questions or any queries, you can ask me in the comments down below. I'll surely answer that. And like, subscribe, comment, share. Now we have reached the end of this video and see you on the next one.